Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to send money to the Philippines using Remitly. So first up, we're going to download and install the Remitly app on your Google Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iOS device. Once you install this app right here, you just need to tap on the open button. Here on the Remitly app, so first up, to transfer money, basically you just have to sign up for your account. So first, you just need to choose your language for Remitly. So tap on the drop down menu and select from here, and then tap on confirm and continue button. Next here, you have two options at the bottom. If you have already an account, so tap on I already have a profile. But in this sample, I'm going to select create a new profile. Now to start to create a new profile here, as you can see, where do you want to send money? So for example, from United States and choose your country here. So basically, I'm going to transfer money to the Philippines. So select that one and then tap on the next button. Next page here, as you can see, you have to create your profile, enter your email address, and then your password. Once done, tap on join Remitly. And here, protect your information and sign in faster with biometrics. So you can save your email and password, and then you can enable the biometrics. So every time you log in, you can just use your fingerprint sensor. Now, once done, you are now directly go to your Remitly dashboard. So as you can see right from here. Now to start transferring money from other country to Philippines, basically you just have to tap on get started button. So once you tap on the get started button here, you'll now start to fill up all the forms here. So for example, you just have to enter the amount. So you can just type right here any amount that you want to transfer money from US to Philippines. So as you can see here. Now at the bottom, you'll find delivery method. So tap on the drop down menu and you just have to select mobile money, bank deposit, debit card deposit, cash pickup, or home delivery. So I'm going to choose here mobile money and then here tap on the select button. And at the bottom, you'll find payment method. So you're going to choose either debit card, credit card, or bank account. So for example, I'm using the debit card. And then here I'm going to tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button here, as you can see on the next page, select your mobile money if you want GCash, Maya, ShopeePay, Coins.ph, or GrabPay. So in this case, I'm going to select GCash right there at the top. And once I tap on the GCash option, basically here, you just need to enter some information regarding the recipient name. So this information should match what's on your recipient's mobile account. And then once done, tap on continue button. Now here on the next page, so as you can see right here, just need to enter the recipient phone number. So you can just tap on the drop down menu and select the country code and then just have to enter the phone number. So basically it's Philippines. So I'm going to write the number. Once done, tap on continue button. Now asking you here, receive a notification if you want to receive some notifications. So you can basically tap on no and then enter here the sender details. And as you can see, you just have to enter the sender address. So basically make sure that you have entered the correct sender address so you can continue transferring money from the other country to the Philippines using the Remitly app. So that's it. That's how you basically use the Remitly to transfer money to the Philippines. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.